All right, so if you're looking for a nice set of outdoor lounge chairs, these Purple Leaf are absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna put them together, test them out, see how comfortable they are, check out the build quality, and they actually match my bar stools, also from Purple Leaf. So I saw how well they were built. I decided to go with these lounge chairs. All right, so using your blade, very simple, open the top. Right, these are extremely well packed. They have these metal corners with foam. Look at this. You don't see this every day with a foam. Very nice. Got all accessories in here. All right. A suggestion, if you want to use the cardboard to put it on the floor, you put these upside down, so that way you don't mess up any of the corners. All right, here we got the manual. Very simple. A few screws to put together. Follow instructions. Chairs are a bit heavy, so definitely you have to be careful. All right. All the parts well packed. All the hardware comes in a little Ziploc bag, and it comes with a little wrench also. And you can tell the build quality. It's just super nice. It's got little rubber feet. All right. Oh wow, look how beautiful and classy those things look. Let's see how it repels water. It does get a little bit wet, but holds pretty good with water. Alright, so look how beautiful they look. Nicely built. Great cushion. Fantastic build quality. Adjustable backing. A little handle right here. Up and down. Water resistant material. Always want to get some covers if you're going to go right under the sun all the time, especially if you're high climates like Florida, Texas. Absolutely beautiful. Also matching my bar stools from Purple Leaf. Very happy with the set. Very easy up and down.